Heart attacks can be predicted months before. Your hair will warn you. Here's how. Chest pressure is the most known symptom of heart attacks, but very few people know that a third of heart attack patients actually never feel chest pains before they have a heart attack. Most patients actually ignore other less known symptoms and delay their hospital treatment by 2 hours in average, a time that's vital for an appropriate response by the medical staff. Some symptoms kick in sudden and strong, while some appear slowly, with minor pains or an uncomfortable feeling. When the slow ones appear, most people aren't really sure what's going on, so they don't seek medical attention straight away. Heart attacks rarely appear out of the blue, even though most people believe so. Namely, days, weeks, and even months before a heart attack occurs, your body will give you some warning signs. And one of the signs can be found in your hair. Your hair will contain higher levels of the cortisol hormone, which is a warning sign of heart attacks. High levels of cortisol can usually be measured through blood, urine or saliva samples in days, hours before a heart attack occurs, but the hair is entirely different. Hair samples can show high levels of cortisol weeks or months before your heart attack occurs. One 6-inch strand is enough for this purpose. This was proven by research that focused on analyzing hair samples from 56 people who had a heart attack and then comparing them to hair from people who never suffered a heart attack, but had other health problems. Apart from your hair, 4 of the major heart attack symptoms are chest pains, even though any chest pain doesn't necessarily mean that you have a heart attack. You can also feel pain in your neck, arms, back and even your jaw. The second sign is sweating and nausea, the third is breathing problems, and the fourth is stomach problems. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.